Hey, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's Slick Nick here. It is 6:15 p.m. on Thursday, March 19th, 2020. I know it's been a long time since I've done a blog, so I thought I'd do a little check-in right now. And also, I drove on St. Patrick's Day, if you're wondering, but it was like slow as hell. I mean, dead. And I have some footage coming up here. You could see some examples of how dead it was around Los Angeles. Anyways, just for a little catching up. I know I haven't updated in a while, but I've just been so damn busy, with driving and working and all that. Well, it's slow right now because with this damn coronavirus, businesses are slowed down, rideshare is slow, and they say deliveries is supposed to be busy, but I also signed up for Postmates too, and only did like 5 trips earlier this week. And so far today I haven't gotten anything on Postmates. I got 1 ride on Lyft and 1 ride on Uber, and currently I'm over in East Hollywood right now. I'm in the parking lot by the old Staples that close, just sitting down waiting for a ping. I'm using my personal vehicle, my Ford Fusion. Apparently I returned my rental car last week. I was renting for Lyft on the Express Drive. I rented a Hyundai Ioniq again. And a couple weeks ago when I had that rental, I had a ride challenge. So I did 147 rides, which is the most I'd ever done because I had a ride challenge, and that got me $175. And plus I picked up all the streak bonuses they had available in the mornings that week. So therefore, I got my whole rental covered. That was the only week they had a ride challenge. They didn't have anything after that. And last week, business really died down. So I ended up turning in my rental on Thursday because business was too slow, and just using my personal vehicle right now. Also, Uber has also changed their rental program too. I'll do another video discussing more, but all I'll tell you right now is they are no longer having fare as an option. Sirens. It turns out an LA fire department ambulance just passed right by, and it just stopped over at the Arco gas station across the street. Huh. Wonder what's going on over there. Hard to tell. Might be a medical emergency or something. Here, take a look at some of my footage I caught when I was driving, and you'll see how dead it was in Los Angeles. So that's what St. Patrick's Day was kind of like. Pretty dead. But I managed to go to Arby's to get a corned beef sandwich that they had. And also I had a coupon for a free milkshake. So I got that, and that made a little good St. Patrick's Day dinner. Sandwich was pretty good. I recommend it. I also had a coupon for the milkshake, so didn't have to pay anything for that. Just the sandwich. To everybody out there, if you're sick, stay home. Don't drive. And please don't go to the stores if you're sick. Hang in there. We'll pull through this. I'm going to end it right here. Be safe out there. Take care of yourselves. Peace.